Hey everybody, I'm Mike from Regala Photography, where we talk about everything photography. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at one of the most fundamental principles of photography, composition. We'll be talking about the rule of thirds and other techniques you can use to create visually stunning images. One of the most important things to consider when composing a photo is the placement of the subject within the frame. One technique that many photographers use to create balanced and aesthetically pleasing images is called the rule of thirds. The rule of thirds is a guideline that suggests you divide your frame into thirds, both horizontally and vertically, creating a grid of 9 equal parts. By placing the subject of your photo along one of these lines or at one of the intersections, you can create a sense of balance and harmony in your image. As you can see by using the rule of thirds in this photo, the subject is now placed in a more interesting and dynamic position within the frame. The image looks more balanced and aesthetically pleasing. Another important composition technique is called leading lines. Leading lines are lines within an image that guide the viewer's eye towards the subject. This can be achieved through natural lines in the scene, such as a path, a river, or a road, or through man-made lines such as a fence or building. As you can see, by using leading lines in this photo, the image becomes more dynamic and the subject is more prominent. The viewer's eye is naturally drawn towards the subject of the photo, creating a more powerful image. Another composition technique to keep in mind is the use of negative space. Negative space is the area around and in between the subject of your photo. It can be used to create a sense of balance and emphasize the subject in the photo. As you can see, by using negative space in this photo, the image becomes more balanced and the subject is more prominent. The empty space around the subject draws attention to it, creating a more interesting and dynamic image. Remember, composition is an essential part of photography. By using techniques like the rule of thirds, leading lines, negative space, you can create visually stunning images that are balanced, harmonious, and aesthetically pleasing. I hope you were able to learn a few things about composition and enjoyed my video. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, ring that bell so you can be notified when my next video is out. Until next time, take care everyone.